so good. I'm gonna get back to bed.
Boy, what are you doing?
Wait, why I can't go back to bed?
You
Bed?
woke me up.
I'm sorry. Oh shoot, I was being so loud when eating
I
the
could
chips.
hear you opening a bag of chips.
Chips? That is funny. I
Gum
don't have no
gum.
chips.
Keep opening stuff without asking. Pulling you on, I'm mad at you.
I'm so hungry. Last time I looked in the fridge, there was nothing. Oh my gosh, it's 12? You know what? You think I should go in the bathroom and just drink some toothpaste? Yeah, I'm going to the bathroom. I am so hungry. I'm getting some toothpaste. Let me drink some toothpaste. Alright, Dad's sleeping. Gotta be quiet. Alright, get the toothpaste. Alright, let me drink it. Oh, my stomach.
My toothpaste!
I'm gonna steal something from the store. I'm gonna get this egg. Alright. Open the door. Wait, why is it so red?
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Did you really think I wouldn't see you stealing?
Stealing? I don't know what you're talking about.
It's time for you to pay the price.
But I don't wanna. No! I'm gonna cook something. Okay, I'm gonna get these chips. And put them in the stove. And then I'm just gonna put on 1 minute. Oh yeah, I'm cooking some chips. Then I'm gonna go on the couch and watch some TV. And wait. Alright, it's done. It doesn't look done. Wait, how's the box open? No. This is fine. It's not working. Okay, soda was gonna work. Is the soda gonna work? Okay, the money. There's a head. Close it. Okay. It got worse. What do I do? I should tell Dad. Dad, the house. The house is on fire. Help. What do I do? No, I can't die. It got worse. What do I do? No, I can't die. It got worse. No. He's gone. Well, I'm gonna take his hat. And I'm gonna drink some soda. That soda was good. I think I'm gonna take another. I think I'm gonna take one more. Wait a minute. What's this place? Whoa. Is this a freezer? I'm not even gonna ask what that is, but whoa. Is that a person? Is that a sandwich? And is that a frozen body? Okay, I want to get out. I want to get out. It's not working. It's locked. I'm gonna sit on the carpet. I think I feel like. I'm just gonna make some breakfast. I'm just gonna put this orange juice on the table. Alright, I'm just gonna, get the eggs. Alright, I got an egg. I'm just gonna put this on the stove. I hope I don't burn the house this time. Alright, I just turn on the stove. And it's done. Alright, now I'm, wait, how do I place, oh, okay. Alright, now I'm gonna put this on the table. I'm gonna give me an orange.
Well, obviously we have a knife in the kitchen. He's climbing in your windows, chopping your people up, chopping. So you better hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husbands, cause he's slicing everybody out there. You don't have to come and confess, we're looking for you, we're gonna find you, we're gonna find you. So you can run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that. Night. I guess that's just one more good reason for you to